Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm well, and what about you?
I'm also pretty well. So, please tell about yourself.
That's good. My name is Tawfiq Ali. I live at Tatariya Siwan, Bihar. I'm doing bachelor degree from JD Islamia Technology Management Siwan. I want to become an IAS. I like watching motivational videos and help any person. This is all about me. And
Okay. So do you need that I introduce myself or not?
sure, why not? Absolutely.
Okay. As you know, my name is Nishi Sani. I have completed MA and also B.Ed. A part of it, I'm running my YouTube channel, and also I'm searching a job. I brought up in UP, but now I'm living in Faridabad. So that's all about me.
That's good. You are speaking such a great way. You know the way you are speaking, which I like the most. That's good. You can ask any question related to English. Do you want to ask from my side?
Yes. So, what is your agenda to learn this language, and why are you learning this language?
That's good. It means when you asked one question, but it has two meaning. It has two meanings. Why will learn English? Why English is important? Question is there. Okay. Well, why we need to learn English? Because English has become a global language. It is an international language. We all are a student, as we know that. 95% books are written in English. Without English language, without English information, how can crack our examination? The more and biggest reason is that to learn English, we should learn English because everybody has desire. Each and everybody has desire. You have desire also. I want to become a good speaker. Someone wants to become an engineer. She wants to become a professor. He wants to become a PM maybe. He wants to become a teacher. In this field, all this field, without English language, we cannot crack here our examination. Yes, fortunately, if you crack your examination, but after some point of time, you will have to face interview.
Yeah.
An interviewer, maybe 95% interviewer, they ask to you in English. And if you
Yeah.
don't know English, crack your interview. Second reason, we all are, you know, a very simple language we know, like Hindi and Bhojpuri. I'm talking about I'm Bihari. I know Hindi and Bhojpuri. And if I will go foreign country, how I will sustain there? It will very difficult for me. So that's why I want to learn English. That's why we should learn English. And if we want to develop our personality and a communication skill and ideas and thoughts, we need to learn a different things. English. It is a simple language but very powerful. English is a simple language but very powerful. One more thing, English is a language, communication is an art. इंग्लिश एक भाषा है, कम्युनिकेशन एक कला है. We should learn English. We should learn English. Yes, love Hindi language, speak English. Love Hindi, speak English. Getting my
That's
point?
nice answer, really. And really, I'm amazed after listening you that you are the first one that you are means you are taking interest means while speaking, and you are not thinking anything, means you are taking amazing, means you are taking interest whatever I am asking, and you are telling in a very good manners, and you are observing everything. Your sentence structure is good, really, and means you are telling everything is calmly. So that's nice, and I'm also learning
Don't
these
worry.
tricks, that how are you able to elaborate
Sure,
everything?
sure.
So
Yeah.
definitely I
One word,
will.
one word you spoke, elaborate.
Yeah,
Explore. That's good.
yeah.
That's good. I observed. You suppose I will give you any topic. What will you do? What we need to do? You try to give your example. Because if you give example, it will be better for learner, for our viewer, they can understand a very simple way. Yes, example is very important
That's
to
nice.
convey anywhere, to convince any person. Continue. Next question.
Yeah, I'm really amused after listening you. You know, before your calling, I talked with the Jack Asif sir.
Ashif.
Did you know Asif sir? He is from Gujarat.
Acha, if I will have time, definitely I will talk to him. And I have
Yeah.
also YouTube channel.
Yeah, I know. I watched. You know, I messaged to another person, and you replied. And then I messaged you, and I watched two videos. I watched that you were means it was the part of means in a GD. They were doing introduce yourself.
That's good. That's good. Because now they're learner, and I what I do, I give my 100% to teaching. Because to teach, what I would like to suggest to you, you are also YouTuber, and I am also YouTuber. My channel name is Skill Spoken English. सीखोगे नहीं तो जीतोगे कैसे? So we need to learn. We need to learn new things. And your viewers, they want to improve their English, they want to speak fluent English, and you want to also speak fluent English and better English. I would like to request to you, I would like to suggest to you, you try to practice speaking at your home. Yes, practice. What practice? Suppose I'm speaking practice sentence, then someone said that, someone consider practice makes a man perfect. Na 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 na. Practice does not make man perfect. Right practice gives you success, and success comes from experience, and experience comes from failure.
Ah, that's nice.
You try to practice speaking at your home 1.5 hour. Speaking at your home 1.5 hour, you will be a good speaker, you will be a better speaker, sonic speaker, dynamic speaker, and successful speaker as well. Do you
Okay,
want to be a good speaker? Do you want to be a best
definitely,
speaker? You
definitely, I want to be a good speaker.
You can. You try to bounce back yourself. You can everything, whatever you want.
Okay,
You try to bounce back yourself.
thank you. So I want to ask one thing. That
Sure,
yes, that you want to you want to be a IAS officer.
sure.
So what
If
is your
I will have,
strategy?
let me tell you, if I will have knowledge about more and more, definitely I will try to crack.
Uh,
You're getting my point. I'm doing,
yes,
I have done intermediate, just pass out, and I'm doing BBA course. And after some point of time, if I will have knowledge about it, definitely I will try to crack my examination. And I will give my 100% to crack my examination.
that's nice. That's nice. And definitely it will your strategy and smart strategy, not strategy, smart strategy you will do. So definitely you will crack the exam, and God bless you.
So much, ma'am. I hope this video is very useful for your viewers. They want to learn English. They want to be a good speaker. If they will follow this video, your channel, my channel, Skill Spoken English, definitely they will be a good speaker, sonic speaker, and dynamic speaker. Your viewer, they want to need any types of problem. I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to help your viewers, and definitely I will give my 100% to teach and train. मिलते हैं
That's nice.
नए वीडियो
Yeah.
में, नए अवतार में, नए जुनून में। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू सो
Bye
मच।
bye.
बाय
Thank you. Bye bye once again. And definitely we will meet you soon. Okay.
सो मच।